Hello, here's a quick video tutorial on how to integrate Google Meet within your Google Classroom. We are very excited about this new update. So go ahead and click on one of your Google Classrooms. Once you are there, you're going to notice you have this little settings gear right here to the top right-hand side. Go ahead and click on there. By the way, here you can also change the name of your class, add a class description section room, and the subject. In the general area, you will now see this section that's called Meet because Google Classroom now supports Meet. Very exciting. So you can generate a Meet link and you will now have your Google Meet link right here within your classroom. Notice that it now turned on the switch for visible to students. So once this is on and I click on the save button right here at the top, make sure you always click on the save button. You will notice that right here on your home page of your Google Classroom, you now have your Google Meet link. So teach your students that they can look for the Google Meet link here. Once they click on it, your Google Meet will appear and you can join now and have your students join with that link. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out. And every time your students see this Google Meet right here, they know that it is on and accessible to them. So let's just say my class has finished and now I want to turn it off. I go back to settings, go to the bottom, turn it off, and click on save. Now you will see that the link has disappeared. So your students are not able to click on it anymore. We are recommending that you go ahead and close your browser, and you can always go back in to see what it is that you have in your Google Classroom. So the link is not accessible anymore. So this is your quick video tutorial for the day. We're very excited about this new Google Meet integration with Google Classroom, and make sure that you are keeping aware of all these changes as the days are progressing, because you know with distance learning, all of these new systems are changing and updated as we go. And so we are very excited to share them with you. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.